Hi guys, so today is Module 3, Lesson 35. Okay, we have the same learning target that we're going to finally get to a point where we can multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Okay, we need to be sure we're using the strategies based on place value and properties of operation, especially associative and distributive properties that we talked about yesterday. Okay, we're going to take a look at this two-digit by two-digit math problem, and we're going to show the area model and the partial product. Now, partial product is part of the product. Remember, we did that back at the beginning of this unit. So I'm going to break apart 37. So we have 30 here in our area model and 7 over here. And then we're going to multiply on this side by 30. So in this box, we could say we have 3 tens times 3 tens, or we could say we have 30 times 30, which equals 9, and then 10 times 10 is 100, so we have 900. And here we have 30 times 7, or we could say 3 tens times 7. 3 times 7 is 21 tens, which would be 210. So then we add that together and we will get our product. Now I'm going to come over here and we're going to do that, and we're going to think through this in partial product. So over here we're going to have 30 times 37. Okay, so first I'm going to do 7 times 30, just like I did here. And 7 times 30 is 210. And then I'm going to go over to this 3 right here, and I'm going to think, oh, this isn't really a 3, it's actually a 30, because over here we have 30 times 30, which is 900. So these are my partial products. I'm going to add that together, and we get 1,110. Okay, here we have another two-digit by two-digit multiplication equation or problem. We're going to break apart 52. So over here we have 50 and 2, and then we have 20 on this side of our area model. So we have 50 times 20 in this area model section, and over here we have 20 times 2. So if I think 2 times 5 is 10. I have 10, so 10 and 10 make that 100. So the total there is 1,000. And over here I took 2 times 2 is 4 tens, which is 40. Okay, now I'm going to come over here to the right, and I'm going to show this in partial product. Okay, I put in parentheses over here just so you understand what you're putting in partial product. So 2 times 20, which would be 40. We already did this in our area model. And then over here we have 50 times 20, which is 1,000. And we already did this in our area model. So if we add that up, we have 1,040, which is our total product. Okay, here let's pause on this one and let's see if you can do this. So draw this on your box number 1 and see if you can do it. And then the teacher will turn on the video and you can check your answer. Remember to do the area model and the partial product. Okay, before you take your exit ticket quiz today, it is on what you did for homework last night, associative property of multiplication and the distributive property. So I wanted to just review this before you took your quiz. So this is the associative property of multiplication. It's where we take this problem, and remember, it's okay if we say 3 times 10 times 37, or if we say 3 times 10 times 37. It doesn't matter if we multiply 10 times 37 first or 3 times 10 first. So this is showing the associative property of multiplication. Okay, and this is the distributive property of multiplication. You also did this in your homework last night, where you have 60 times 50 plus 60 times 4. And actually, we're working on this today. This is kind of like our area model, our partial product. This is what we're actually using the distributive property today. Okay, put up your folders. The teacher is going to pass out exit ticket number 34, and you need to hand that into your teacher when you're finished. Please go very carefully. Then get out your math book and complete pages 233, 234. Remember, if you need help, raise your hand or ask a neighbor, but don't just get the answer. Remember this, you're helping each other to really learn this. When you're finished, go to the carpet and check your answers with someone who is already finished, or check with the teacher. Remember to be responsible for your own learning here. And then you can go to, if there's time, the teacher will tell you if you have time. You can go and work on your learning, grade 4, logic and reasoning, section J, or K, patterns and sequences. And you can work on that until the teacher tells you to put your Chromebooks away. Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.